What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Litecoin, the most talked about crypto over the last 24 hours guys. Yes, the halving has happened. So how has this affected the value of Litecoin? As you guys can clearly see, it has been dropping in value quite a bit, and it is down just over 5% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $87.79. So after the halving happened, is it going to crash further? Is it going to pump back up in value, or is it going to maintain its value? That's what we're going to be looking at in today's video, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How could this halving that took place earlier today have an impact on its value for both buyers and sellers point of view, and basically looking at, is it worth buying it, selling it, or should you simply hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you guys can see on the screen right now, let's go through the news article, see what's happened. So as you guys can see, Litecoin halving completes as LTC sees increased payments adoption. So Litecoin block rewards have halved to 6.25 Litecoin, as the halving clock is reset for another 4 years. So for those of you guys who don't know, for Litecoin the halving happens every 4 years. So the last time it happened was in 2019, and the one before that was in 2015. So while Litecoin price could crash nearly 50% ahead of third Litecoin halving event. So Litecoin's third halving event is roughly 6 hours away. Again, this is an old article, it's already happened by the time this video goes out and by the time I'm recording the video as well, after which the minor rewards will be halved to 6.25 Litecoin. Litecoin price exhibits an interesting behavior a month before the halving event. If the similar outlook continues, Litecoin could undergo a steep correction to $47, bearing in mind that right now is trading at just about $87, so that is a major drop if it does go to $47. Litecoin is ready to undergo the third halving event, so on and so on. But yeah, according to last time it did happen in 2019, it did go through a minimal crash. 2019, same thing happened again. However, right now it's more or less happening as well. But again guys, the crypto market has completely changed to how it was back in the days in 2015 and 2019 as well, and again that includes Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is at a completely different price scale compared to where it was at in 2019. But yeah, at the moment it is slowly starting to drop in value, but I am expecting the crypto to recover over the next couple of days and weeks as well. But again, before I go into the technical analysis and price predictions guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So as you guys can see, let's have a look here. Litecoin is the 12th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, with $6.8 billion, with its daily trading volume around $1.14 billion, which we can also see on CoinMarketCap as well. But yeah, at the moment it has not been performing too well, but we can see the trading volume has gone up by 20% ahead of the event. Before the event took place earlier today, a lot of people were buying it, were also selling it. There are both buyers and sellers at this point. There are both people thinking it's going to pump up, and other people were thinking it's going to crash because of what's happened in 2015 and 2019. But I wouldn't really call this a crash, because it was trading just above $90 and it's dropped down just below $90. So yeah, it's not a huge crash, but again, who knows what's about to take place. Personally guys, it is likely to drop further to about $84-85 over the coming hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, before after that it should slowly and steadily start to gain value, heading above the $100 mark potentially towards the end of August and early September as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using later on in the video, and we also have the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction. But let's hide the Fibonacci scale. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and what can we see? I'm expecting bearish lines going in a negative direction, only because of what's happened over the last couple of hours. And as you guys can see here, it is literally flat out because obviously it hasn't calculated it enough, but we should expect an overall drop in value. As you guys can see, both the lines are looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours over the coming days. Even though we are looking at bearish direction lines of the blue and the orange line, they are looking way too steep, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the drop that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks yes, this crypto is going to keep dropping at that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting is an overall increase in value from Litecoin, potentially heading up to about $93-95 towards mid next week. This is what my predictions are, but I do expect red days in between, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Over the next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Both the lines are still looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, but that's not what I'm expecting. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late September 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Litecoin, potentially heading up to around $120-130 is where I'm expecting Litecoin to be trading at. But again, guys, this depends on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, as that has a major impact on the crypto market. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Litecoin. Guys, let me know what your expectations are. How high are you guys expecting Litecoin to go in 2023? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around Litecoin before the halving event happened, but it's not too bad. A lot of you guys did think it's gonna go, absolutely crazy, crash like crazy, but that's not what I'm expecting. You guys did think that it's gonna go down to about $50-60. It wasn't that bad, and it shouldn't be that bad. I'm not expecting any major drops. So let's look at the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are very, very close to hitting the green zone at the moment. We are trading in the red zone, and we should be able to break out from the red zone potentially, guys. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm expecting to head into the green zone and potentially trade in the green zone, meaning over $100 over the next 2 to 3 weeks is where I'm expecting Litecoin to be trading at, and potentially Q4 we should be trading in the dark green zone. But again, if you guys want more updates on Litecoin, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and keep you guys updated as much as I can. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.